Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abscess. 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 Abscess is a noun that refers to a painful, swollen area on the body that is filled with pus. It is usually caused by an infection, and it can occur in various parts of the body, such as the skin, gums, or internal organs. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The patient had an abscess in their gums, which required immediate dental treatment. Why abscess use in example number 1? In this example, abscess is used to describe the painful and swollen condition in the patient's gums, emphasizing the need for urgent dental care due to the infection. Example number 2. The doctor diagnosed the lump as an abscess and recommended draining the pus. Why abscess use in example number 2? Here, abscess is used to provide a medical diagnosis for the lump, emphasizing the need to drain the pus to treat the condition. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.